Fieldset tag genuinely groups related real form fields together, with legend tag providing an actual real caption for the group. In this video you'll organize a real form with both. Fieldset tag genuinely draws a real visual border around its contents by default. Legend tag genuinely provides the actual real caption for that group. This real input genuinely belongs to the Fieldset group visually and semantically associated with its actual legend. Disabled on a real Fieldset genuinely disables every actual input inside it at once, a real convenient bulk toggle. Fieldset tag genuinely groups related real form fields. Legend tag genuinely provides a real caption for that group. Disabled on a Fieldset genuinely disables every real input inside it at once. Group a real form's address fields inside a Fieldset with a legend. Ready to properly connect real labels for accessibility?